And it looks like we ran into this error. No such file or directory. It looks like our code might not have compiled correctly here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and delete our artifacts, move to trash. I'm going to delete our cache as well. And we're going to try rerunning this. Whenever you run a script with the Hardhat command, Hardhat will automatically recompile it for you, especially if there's no artifacts folder. So we're going to rerun this command, and Hardhat's going to compile first, and we can see that it does exactly that. And then it's going to go ahead and redeploy. Hopefully this time it should be able to find the contract that it just compiled. Looks like this time, after I deleted the artifacts folder, we actually did indeed get some successful compilation. And we can see here, successfully submitted source code for contract for verification on the Block Explorer. Waiting for verification results. Successfully verified contract symbol storage on Etherscan. It even gives us a link that we can go ahead and command click or control click into, and we can see the contract indeed being verified. This is awesome.